One, two, three, four. 4 affiliate marketing strategies for beginners. What's going on, everyone? Nathan here, and that's exactly what I'm gonna share with you here in today's video. 4 affiliate marketing strategies for beginners you can get started with to make money online with. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started here, I want you to pay close attention and watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information I'm gonna share with you here today. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business with this method I'm gonna share with you, with these 4 strategies here and much more, I highly suggest you to have a closer look at my number 1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video, of course. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the first strategy and the most important is email list building. So you probably heard the phrase the money is in the list, and everyone knows what they are talking about when they say that, because the money is in the list. I learned this the hard way, so I want you to skip that hard way and save yourself huge amount of time and money and do it the right way from beginning here. So what happened is this. So let's say that you have traffic here. Okay, we have the traffic, and here is a squeeze page. I'm going to show you exactly what this is. Hang on. Offer. Now, if we would have drove traffic straight here to the offer, if people don't purchase it from the first time, we never know who came here from this traffic source. We have paid, we have spent thousands of dollars and hours on getting this traffic, and they will see the offer only once, and that is goodbye after that. But if you have your email marketing in place, you're going to create something called a squeeze page or an opt-in page. And to give you a quick example, this is one of my squeeze page and opt-in page. You can see here I have a free video case study here where I show you how I made $420 in less than 24 hours, okay, and how you can do it too. So to find out and see that case study, all you have to do is opt in, and that is where I have you in my list, and I can connect with you and of course promote offers later on also. Okay, another strategy to use that is also very important is to use some kind of an exit page, which is more or less the same as the squeeze page, but it works with a separate plugin. And what happens is when I try to exit my blog here, for example, this will show up here. So this is where I say, wait, before you leave, don't you want the free report, blah, blah, blah. And of course you need to enter your email address to get that here. So this is a super important step. And now, of course, when you have subscribed, it is important to not get started and just bombard with affiliate offers there, but make sure to connect, provide some kind of a value, especially in the first email, and then you can get started to promote, of course. So that is definitely the first and most important, okay? What you're going to do here after is you're going to create a follow-up series with emails, so it will work in your autoresponder. You need an autoresponder, of course, so people will opt in and they will read your emails there. Okay, so you don't have to think about every morning when you wake up what kind of an emails you're going to write there. Alright, let's move on to another strategy, and that is to offer some kind of a free report, just like I showed you earlier here. So this is affiliate marketing supremacy, and what I did here is I show people on how they can get started with exactly what I was talking about earlier here. Build an email list. You see here my method of choice. So this is totally free, and I show you exactly how to do this here. And most important is that a lot of these links that I have here is affiliate links. So when someone clicks here, let's say for example you need a squeeze page, I promote InstaBuilder here, and if someone clicks these links, they will go to InstaBuilder, they will purchase it, and I will make a commission. So this is a nice strategy, and it doesn't have to be just for your free report there, but you can create any kind of a free report from time to time and just send it to your list and say thank you very much, I appreciate that you have subscribed to my list there, and as a thank you I'm going to send you this free report there. So how you're going to write a free report if you're stuck and you don't know how to do it, you can easily go to PLR sites. It stands for private label rights, and you can find any kind in almost any niches PLR reports. Now I highly suggest you, here is another site also, I highly suggest you to rewrite it, to make it a bit unique, and of course make a unique e-cover there so it looks more nice and of course more unique there. So that is another strategy. Alright, let's move on to the next one, and that is to review a product, and you can do it in two ways. There is the launch jacking method. I'm going to show you here on Muncheye, where I can see exactly whenever someone is launching products in Make Money Online, mostly in Make Money Online niche here. So you can do this, you can review the products like 1 or 2 days before it's getting launched, so you can have it ranked in YouTube. Just to give you a quick example here, this is a review that I did recently for Kevin Fahey's I Am Checklist Volume 20. So I'm ranking for a lot of keywords, you can see it here. And what I do is I offer a unique bonus, okay? So that goes also with another strategy, and that is to offer a bonus package. Now you can offer a PLR product just like I showed you earlier here, or you can do a unique bonus package if you are able to create your own products there. So to give you a quick example, this is how it looks on my site, myimtips.com. Here is the full review. I have the video on the top here. And as a bonus I include my own course, of course, Daily List Profits, and the pro version. And here you can see this is PLR products. Actually, to be honest, I didn't I was a little bit lazy here. I should have done a more unique approach here. This is a good example of a uniqueness, because I created a unique cover and I rewrote this report. Actually, I hired a copywriter even for having this rewritten a while back when I did this. And I actually include all these products here as a unique bonuses, so you can't find them, of course, anywhere else, okay? If someone wants to give you a bonus, they need to purchase my product, and it's not worth it because I sell only this one alone for $27, okay? So definitely a good approach and a strategy, and probably one of the most important after you have built your email list, is to offer any kind of a unique bonus package there. You can just do a video or whatever, okay? Talk about a few things, or talk about a strategy that has been launched. So if it would have been for PLR, let's say that you're an expert or know a few things about PLR products, you could have done a case study on PLR products or something like that and offer it as a unique bonus. Because that way, when people are searching for the best bonus package there, they will most likely buy from you because it is a unique bonus package there. Okay, so that is another strategy. And to move on a little bit here, another strategy is, of course, you can do a review regular products. Let's say, for example, that you are interested in cameras. You can go for a Canon DSLR here on Amazon. So it would be better, of course, if you have the product, but you can't buy all these cameras, okay? So what you can do is you can find all the good things and bad things about it, take some snapshots, take some pictures, and do a slideshow presentation, do a video, put it up on YouTube, of course, and on your blog if you do have a blog, because I highly suggest you to have some kind of a blog. Like I have a presence here my IM tips and have your affiliate link included there. Okay, so that is another strategy and a good tip. Okay, I think that I covered probably more than 4 strategies here, but the most important one is probably the first one, that is to build an email list, because as I said, you will may be able to promote again and again to that list, and of course connect with that list also. It can be actually that you're creating your own product, you can sell your own product to that list later on also. And of course the second most important, I think, is to include a bonus package there. Alright, if you got some value here, I highly appreciate if you smash that like button below. If you're interested in this and much more about affiliate marketing, making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I highly recommend you to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. You find an end screen also here with 2 channel recommendations. Make sure you subscribe to both, hit the notification bell also, and you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.